Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to talk about how to fix the problem of the BlindShell Classic mobile phone not connecting to 4G on AT&T. So if you get your new BlindShell Classic mobile phone here in the United States and you connect it to AT&T and you get a network error whenever you try to use one of the voice options. So if you long press the voice button here.
I listen after a beep.
When you do that, it says network error. Then I've got a video showing how to troubleshoot that. There's two settings that you need to check to make sure that they are set correctly on the phone. I'll have a link in the description for that video. But if everything is working properly, but you notice that when you press up on the directional pad,
1:53 p.m.
and then
Tuesday,
you press to
Wi-Fi
the
state
right,
disabled. Signal strength 75% 4G. Carrier AT&T. Mobile data enabled 3 of 5.
you get to this section and it says signal strength and then it says 3G instead of 4G. Now, if you know for sure that you have a data plan on AT&T that supports 4G and that you are currently in a 4G area, it should say 4G just like mine does. If yours says 3G, then we've got a little bit of an issue. So there's two things that we need to check. Well, there's one thing we need to check first on the phone.
Call 1 of 9.
We need to go into settings.
Messages, contacts, more applications, settings 5 of 9.
I'm gonna turn the volume up a little bit.
Volume 6. Volume 7.
Make sure you guys can hear it.
Sounds 1 of 9.
We need to go into mobile data,
Keyboard 2 of 9. Display 3 of 9.
or networks, excuse me.
Networks 4 of 9.
There we go.
Wi-Fi 1 of 5.
Now we need to go into mobile data,
Bluetooth 2 of 5. Mobile data 3 of 5.
mobile data.
Mobile data switch 1 of 3. Mobile data preferred technology 2 of 3.
We need to go into mobile data preferred technology.
Use 4G, 3G, and 2G selected 1 of 3.
We have three options in here in this menu, but this is the one that you want to be connected to. This will allow the phone to connect to whichever signal is the strongest in your area, 2G, 3G, or 4G. So if you're only getting 3G, you want to make sure that this is selected because
Use 3G and 2G not selected 2 of 3.
there is an option in here to only use 2G and 3G. You may have this accidentally selected, so just make sure you select the one that mentions 4G.
Mobile data preferred technology 2 of 3.
Now, if this still doesn't fix the problem, if you're still showing 3G on here, it may be because for some reason AT&T's automated system doesn't recognize BlindShell as a 4G enabled phone. So in those situations, you will need to contact AT&T and speak with a tech support person and tell them that you are using a 4G enabled phone and that they need to go into the system and manually tell the system that the phone does support 4G. Basically, the system thinks it's only a 3G phone, doesn't realize it's a 4G phone. So the technician will need to manually tell the system that it is indeed a 4G phone. So that's how you do it. Those are the two things you need to check. Remember, if you try to access weather or something like that while not connected to Wi-Fi and you get a network error, then I recommend you watch the video where I talk about the couple different steps to troubleshoot that problem. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you would like to learn more about what you can do on your BlindShell Classic phone, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos.